Here I have LG Q7. Let me show you how to enable the portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select the settings. Here you need to find and select the touchscreen. It's under network tab right here. Let's enable the Wi-Fi hotspot by using that switcher. So you need to use some password to this hotspot. In my case, it could be the simplest one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, because it must have at least 8 characters. Let's tap save. And right now the LG Q7 hotspot is created. So you can also tap on this hotspot right here and you can set up the hotspot. So you can change the network name, security type, you can use the password, you can change the password right here, you can select the max number of users, and you can show advanced options where you can use the broadcast channel and you can change it. If you change something, tap save. If not, choose cancel. You can also use the timeout if you would like to. If not, let's tap cancel. Alright, if you would like to disable the hotspot, let's use the same switcher right here and you can go back and use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.